Hello everyone, this is a dialogue of two of us about we are made after 10 years in Canada.
Okay.
Hey, are you Nishat?
Yes, I'm Nishat. Are you Tabassum?
Yes, I'm Tabassum. Long time see. What a coincidence.
It's just a beautiful coincidence of us. So, what are you doing now?
I'm a university student. I study in the Toronto University. In Canada, I do my PhD degree. What are you doing now?
I'm doing business women. I have a flower business.
Oh, I see. Let's sit at a cafe and talk together. What do you want to order?
Just 2 black coffee without sugar.
Okay, then where are you living right now?
I live in Canada at Niagara. And it is so beautiful place. You should come with me and visit this place.
Okay, sure. Whenever I get time, I'll inform you and visit this place.
Yeah. Do you remember our first meet at TalentHut?
Yes, I remember our first meet at TalentHut. That's a very beautiful memories I belong to. Do you remember about our presentation we have?
Yes. It's very interesting of us, and it's make our very happy memories.
Yeah, you were right.
Do you remember candy floss?
Yeah, I remember about this. No, actually, I don't like sweet at all. I just avoid this because I'm on a diet, and sweet harms our body. At the end, I want to be fit.
Oh.
And what about you? Do you still love this?
Yes, I still love this.
Do you want to visit my town? I live in Toronto. This is very beautiful place.
Yes.
Will you free tomorrow?
Yes, I'm free. You give me your phone number.
Okay, then I will call you and inform that we are going to visit this place and some of my beautiful place, some of my special place that I love most. Okay, till then, take care.
Okay, see you soon.